Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I wanna show you how to check available RAM on your Vivo V50 Lite and Vivo V50 Pro. Okay guys, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. We can check the details of memory usage on your cell phone through the developer options. First thing first, we must to activate developer options. Open your settings menu. And you can scroll down and you open about phone, click it. Next, open software information. Yep, in this build number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. You are now one step away. Enter your lock screen password. You are now a developer. Okay, next we click back again one more times. And yep, in your settings menu, you open system management. Click it. So now you can find developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. And next you open memory. Click it. And yep, you can see average memory use is this, and you can check your total memory. And you can check available RAM on your phone is here. Free is this. And you can check memory used by apps. You click it. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.